Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable the share button on Facebook. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. It's pretty quick and simple. First of all, you have to open up the Facebook mobile application. And now if you want to enable your share button, you have to tap on the three little lines at the top right corner, and then you have to go to your profile by simply tapping on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then you have to scroll down a little bit, and then you have to open up the post on which you want to enable the share button or disable it. So once you are on the post, go ahead and tap on the three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then from here you simply have to tap on where it says edit privacy. Now it will show you who can see your post. So right now, as you guys can see, that it has been shifted to only me. It means that my share button is disabled and my post is not available to anyone. If I want to enable my share button, I'll simply tap on see more. Here you have to select friends of friends, or you can either select friends except some persons, or you can only show this to specific person, and then according to your privacy settings your share button will be enabled or disabled. If you will set it to friends of friends except some people or specific person, your share button will be enabled. But if you will set it to nobody or only me, it will disable your share button. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.